Hi everyone, Donut here. Would you like a late night shooting breakdown from the Las Vegas Metropolitan Police Department? Because I would like to give you one, and you're gonna like it. I swear to God, the Las Vegas Metropolitan Police Department shoots like 3 people a week. It's like that scene from Forrest Gump where he's like, I went to the White House again. I got to meet the president again. That's what it's like with this media relations officer who's always talking to the press after these things happen with them. A violent felon shot at our officers again, and we had to shoot back and kill him again. Moving along, let's talk about 49-year-old Michael Cohen, a Las Vegas resident who has a very, very long criminal history, including things like armed robbery, kidnapping, and carjacking. This past Saturday, he walked into the Bellagio with a gun, went to the cash cage, got some cash, and walked outside. As soon as he walks outside, standing directly to the left of him is 4 Las Vegas Metropolitan Police Department bike officers. They were there investigating something about a 12-year-old girl going missing when he just walks right out in front of them. He goes up to a white Mercedes, opens it up, jumps inside, but there's no keys. He gets out of the white Mercedes, walks to the black car behind the Mercedes, past the police officers, with a bag of cash in one hand and his gun in his pocket in the other hand. He tries to get into that car. He taps on the glass with his gun. The person's like, fuck no, you're not getting into my car. They try to drive off a little bit, and that's when the officers get the call over the radio that, hey, that's the guy right in front of us who just robbed the cage inside. So they're all like, hey, come here, bitch, you little fucking thief, you dirtbag piece of shit. 3 officers walk around the front of the car, 1 officer goes around the back of the car. That's when the suspect pops off one shot at the officer closest to him. Many news reports are saying that the suspect fired 2 shots because the picture of the vest was released before they were able to investigate it a little bit better. It looks like he got shot twice in the chest, but what happened is the bullet went into his shirt, hit his cell phone, bounced off of his vest, and then exited. The guy takes off running, but he doesn't get, fucking 15 yards before the officer who went around the back of the car fires 1 shot, hitting him in the back of the head.
That's accurate.
The officer who pops him in the back of the head walks over. It looks like he looks at him, then turns around, and I imagine he says, hey, you guys okay? The officer turns his back to the guy he just shot, so I'm assuming he could probably tell the guy's not getting up. I know we all make fun of the bike officers for shaving their legs and wearing spandex, but apparently if you mess with them, you're in for a pretty bad time.
Hands out of your pockets and
In the end, the officer who got shot in the chest is okay. He's probably got a few bruises. That couldn't feel good. The suspect, you can guess what happened to him. He didn't make it. That's all I got for you guys today. Just another one shot to the suspect block video. I'm not going to be jumping on stream tonight, but I should be back on tomorrow night. Everyone, this is Donut, and I just want you all to please have a fantastic day.